Fraction division models. That's what we're going to learn today. Hi, my name is Jason Jacobs, and this is Math with Jason Jacobs, and we're going to learn fraction division models. We're going to do a number line model, which I really like, and a cookie model, as I like to call it. And we're going to explain to you why when you divide by a proper fraction, is the quotient greater than the dividend. Let's discover that now. So check this out. We have 1 1/2 divided by 1/4. Now, 1 1/2 is the dividend, 1/4 is the divisor. So 1 1/2 is the number that's being divided. The dividend is the number that's being divided. So I'm gonna mark that right here. So that's our dividend. 1 1/2 is being divided into parts that are 1/4 each. So here's one that's 1/4, and another, there's another fourth, there's another fourth, there's another fourth, there's another fourth. They kind of look like little footballs, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/4 go into 1 1/2. So let me explain it now so this is the concept of the model, and I'll explain the algorithm. We got to convert any mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3/2. And then divide it by 1/4. So whenever we divide fractions, the dividend stays the same, and then you multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. Reciprocal means you just switch the numerator and denominator. And there we go. And 3 times 4, well, that's 12, and 2 times 1, that's 2. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Hey, look, 6 right here. I remember back in school saying, okay, 1 1/2 divided by 1/4 is 6. I mean, you're dividing and the answer is greater than what you're dividing by. I never really understood that, but I think this model shows why it's 6. 1 1/2 divided into fourths, and you have 6 of them. So there's that. Hey, let's do this one. 5 divided by 1/2. Now here we have 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna divide each of those cookies in half. Well, how many halves do you have? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 divided by 1/2 is 10. Well, let's see, because again, we're dividing by a fraction, yet we're getting an answer that's greater than what we're dividing by. And that's going to be a main thing that I think these models will really help you with. So when you divide, the dividend stays the same, and then you multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. 5 times 2 is 10 over 1. So back when I was a kid, 5 divided by 1/2 would end up being 10, and you just wouldn't really know why or what's going on, or like, why is that so? But I believe the models, these division models, really help with that concept.